We offer a variety of different blends of mulch to pick from. We typically choose a premium dyed brown or black deco mulch to be installed at these properties. It retains color, it just lasts a lot longer, it looks better on these properties. Now, what sets us different when we come out and mulch, we come and thoroughly prep these beds. We remove any sticks, debris, any weeds that are in the areas that we're going to be mulching. With our mulch, when we apply it, if it is bare ground, has never seen mulch, we try to go at a 2 to 3 inch depth. If we are laying over existing mulch, we typically go at about a 1 inch depth. So at this point, you can see that we have a mulch drop going on behind us. As my crews are working, they're starting at the very back of the property and they're going to work their way all the way to the front. Most of the time we tend to just stick with manual labor. We will do, manual installs, wheelbarrowing from driveways through the back portions of the property. We just try to minimize damage to property as much as possible while doing these installations. The times of the season that we install mulch, if you are on our full maintenance program, we tend to wait till all the leaves and all the debris has fallen in the springtime, at which point we try to get that service performed leading up to the summer months when everybody's going to be wanting to be outside. If you're looking for a mulching service, look no further than DalaCasa Landscaping. Give us a call today.